you have an ugly, outdated, maybe even unsafe bath or shower? You could remodel it the hard way. Or you could do it the easy way by calling Jacuzzi and get the beautiful bathroom of your dreams installed in just one day. Right now, we're waiving all installation costs, plus offering 0 interest and 0 payments for up to 1 year. Jacuzzi Bath Remodel makes it simple. Our local design consultants come right to you with exclusive, genuine jacuzzi features and designs to help you create the custom bathroom of your dreams. And everything we install is backed with a superior craftsmanship and the peace of mind of a lifetime warranty.
My overall experience with Jacuzzi has been wonderful. Everything was customized to the way I wanted it for the price that I wanted to pay.
It was amazing how they fixed that bathroom in a day.
I've had a great experience from start to finish.
Let us convert your old, outdated bath into a stunning, easy entry shower with features like grab bars and a custom seat so you can enjoy enhanced safety in style. And best of all, you can have it all installed in just 1 day. So what are you waiting for? Put down that hammer and pick up the phone and call Jacuzzi Bath Remodel today.
Call or go online now to jacuzzibathremodel.com. For a limited time offer, we're waiving all installation costs, and there's no interest and no payments for up to 1 year.
Call 800-453-5755. That's 800-453-5755. Call now.